Hi, have you been having difficulty setting up and running Facebook and Instagram adverts? Would you like to learn how to run social media adverts effectively and make huge sales from it? My name is Joy. I know you would love to learn how to pay for your Facebook and Instagram adverts in Naira and even from your bank account in Nigeria, even if you don't have an ATM card. It's something that is possible. If you have been having difficulties running Facebook and Instagram adverts, then our upcoming scholarship on digital skills training is for you. This scholarship training on digital skills, you will learn how to set up Facebook and Instagram adverts in Naira currency, pay from your ATM card or your bank account in Nigeria, and use it to promote any business and attract high-paying customers daily. Here are other money-making digital skills you will learn in the scholarship training if you register now. First and foremost, web design using WordPress. Here you will learn how to build a professional website for companies and organizations. Digital marketing. Learn how to attract paying customers to your website from Google search using SEO. Social media marketing. Learn how to attract paying customers to any business and build a successful brand using effective social media strategies. AI marketing and content creation using artificial intelligence. Learn artificial intelligence marketing and how to create thousands of quality and original articles using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Skills and knowledge monetizations. Here you will learn how to make money from your skills and knowledge you've acquired from the scholarship training. Ebook creation. We will show you how to create professional ebooks and make money from it. Digital product creation. Learn how to create digital products and make money from them online. This training is loaded and it's a practical hands-on training where you learn by doing, take action and invest in your future. Imagine attracting high-paying customers effortlessly. Imagine having digital skills that will help you make more money in this digital age. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Register today and unlock the secrets to money-making digital skills and effective social media advertising. Click on the link below and trust me, you won't want to miss out on this scholarship training on digital skills. Bye.